Good morning, dear students. Are you all happy today? Yes, very good. I hope all of you are happy today. What happened if a doctor become late to reach an operation theater? Yes, it may cause life losses or it may causes many critical situations in the hospital. Right. Who is responsible for the losses? Yes, definitely the doctor is responsible for all the losses. Okay, so the time of the doctor is very precious, right? So if the doctor become punctual, then he become a savior of life, right? Okay, so the punctuality is on time. Punctual means on time.
Punctual means being able to complete a required task or fulfill an obligation before or at a previously designed time. Okay, it simply means being on time, not being late.
The punctuality is very much important in a personal life. Okay, let me explain you some instances from. Okay, let me explain some instances from Mahatma Gandhi's life. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most punctual personality, and his the attraction of his character. One of the attraction of his character is the punctuality. Okay, let us look on some of instances happens in his life. Okay.
Once, Gandhiji was invited to inaugurate a program at 5 pm, and the sponsors tell him that they will pick him up from his place at the time. And Gandhi waited for them for a long time, but they didn't come. And at last, Gandhi took a bicycle and he drove it to that program place. The sponsors reached at Gandhi's place at 5 p.m. Correct, 5 p.m. Okay, in this time, our Gandhi reached the destination and he began to speak. He began to speak to the people. Later, then the sponsors came and said to him sorry. Then he says how important the punctuality is. Okay, this incident shows even though he was a great personality at that time, he gives more importance to the punctuality. Okay, he respect others' time. That is why he took his bicycle and drove such a long distance. Okay, which shows his punctuality. Okay.
Sorry, you got the. So now let us look on another instance that happened in his life, in Mahatma Gandhi's life. Okay.
Deshabandhu Das was in Darjeeling and was unwell. Gandhiji went there to inquire after his health. On his return journey, he had to catch the Dhaka mail to attend a function at Nawabganj. But it had so happened on the way that some part of the rock had collapsed on the railway track. This created such a situation that Gandhiji might miss the Dhaka mail. But not to reach on time was not something Gandhiji could ever afford. One colleague then suggested going by a special train. Gandhiji immediately welcomed it, saying, just as I am strict in following my timings meticulously with the Viceroy, in the same strict manner I should be punctual in keeping the time given to the people. The special train fare for rupees 1140 had to be paid, but he remained present at that particular function on time amongst his countrymen. Look how he punctual. How is this punctual? He is very much. He give very much importance to others' time. Okay, This is one of the best quality of Mahatma Gandhi.
If we fail to remain punctual, all of us not only harm others but also badly upsets the plans of others also. So, develop the supreme habit of being punctual in your life. Okay. I hope all of you understood the value, punctuality, and the importance of being punctual in your personal life, and how much it impact, it has importance in your personal and professional life. The importance of punctuality in students' life. The punctuality is the most important characteristics of every successful person. Student, businessman, and all other persons have to be observed punctuality in order to win success in life. If we look at the lives of all great men, we would realize that they had got a time schedule for every day. Mahatma Gandhi used to rise early in the morning. He used to keep up appointments and was punctual to a minute. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.